A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings. Tell me something. You think say any are we? Rich or poor? Old or young? High or low? Can hide from God? Think about it. And if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you don't do it yet, now are the best time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure say you no miss none of what I go on right here. So today, I'm going to read from the letter we name Revelation chapter 6 from verse 1 to verse 17. I watch the baby sheep broke the 7 string them 1-1. When he broke the first string, me hear one of the 4 sitting them say in a one voice we sound like thunder, "Come here." When me look, me see one white ass turn up in front of me. The man who did ride the white ass did have one bow and arrow in him hand, and him did get one crown, and him ride out of heaven go earth like one soldier. We fight and beat up him enemy them already, and I will beat them up again. When the baby sheep broke the second string, me hear the second sitting say, "Come." Then they see one second ass come out, red like fire. This somebody where did I ride him did get power to make the people them on earth turn against them one another and kill off them one another in a war. Him did get one big sword too. When the baby sheep broke the third string, me hear the third sitting say, "Come." When me look, me see one black ass. The one we sit on pan it have one scale in him hand. Then me hear something like one voice amongst the 4 sitting them. I say, 1 pound of baking flour I go cost 1 whole day pay. And 6 pound a quart of flour I go cost 1 whole day pay. But fast with the island the wine. When the baby sheep broke the 4th string, me hear the voice of the 4th sitting say, "Come." When me look, me see one ass where have one yellow-green color. The one where did I ride the ass named Death. And the one we name the place where dead people go, did I follow right back at him. The 2 of them did get power to use sword, starvation, sickness, and wild animal to kill off quarter of the people them on earth. When him broke the 5th string, me see under the altar the soul of the people them where did get killed cause them believe God's word and cause them tell people about God. The soul them under the altar call out with one loud voice, "Oh long, powerful Lord, you were holy and we always do what God want you to do. How long you go wait for judge and punish the people them on earth we kill we have?" Then every one of them get one long white jacket we catch them clear down at them foot. And somebody tell them, say them for wait little longer till the rest of God people them will get killed like them, get killed. Then Me see when the baby sheep broke the sixth string and one terrible earthquake happened. The sun top shine and the whole place turned black, like when night well dark. And the moon turned red like blood. And the star them were in a sky drop a ground like when green fruit drop off a tree when strong breeze a blow. The sky roll up like one roll up book and disappear. And every mountain and country tumble down out of them place. Then the kingdom on earth, the important people them, the army leader them, rich people, everybody, whether them a slave or them free, run go hide in a cave and back of the mountain rock them. Them ball out and beg the mountain and the rock them for drop on we and hide we from the one we sit on upon the throne and from the baby sheep so that he can't find we for punish we. Cause the terrible day come when God and the baby sheep are going to punish wicked people and nobody at all can deal with that judgment day. God, oh, this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.